Eco-Chic. Transform your beauty routine with biodegradable makeup must-haves. Introduction. Ready to revolutionize your beauty routine and positively impact the planet? With eco-conscious living on the rise, biodegradable makeup and sustainable packaging are now essential trends in the beauty industry. Let's explore how to make your beauty regimen eco-friendly, why it matters as awareness of environmental footprints grows. The demand for biodegradable beauty products is skyrocketing. Traditional cosmetics often contain harmful chemicals and plastic packaging, contributing to pollution and landfill waste. By choosing biodegradable options, you can care for your skin while supporting sustainability. Key insights. 1. Biodegradable ingredients. Many brands now use natural, plant-based ingredients like coconut oil and aloe vera, which provide a flawless finish and break down naturally, minimizing environmental harm. 2. Eco-friendly packaging. Seek brands that utilize compostable or recyclable materials. Some use biodegradable plastics or paper-based containers, reducing plastic waste. 3. Sustainable sourcing. Brands committed to sustainability often practice ethical sourcing, benefiting the planet and supporting fair labor practices. Practical steps. 1. Assess your products. Review your current makeup for harmful chemicals and non-recyclable packaging. 2. Research brands. Look for beauty brands that prioritize sustainability. Check ingredient lists and packaging details to ensure eco-friendly practices. 3. Gradually replace. Start swapping traditional products for biodegradable alternatives, like eco-friendly lipsticks and organic foundations. Common mistakes. Assuming all brands are eco-friendly. Not all products labeled natural are biodegradable. Always check the ingredient list and packaging. Overlooking ingredients. Some biodegradable products may still contain harmful preservatives. Research the full ingredient list. Ignoring proper disposal. Biodegradable products must be disposed of correctly. Compost or recycle according to local guidelines to maximize your impact. Conclusion. Switching to biodegradable makeup enhances your beauty routine and contributes to a healthier planet. Are you ready to make the change? Start today and share your eco-chic journey. Together, we can make beauty green from lipstick to lotion. Discover the best biodegradable beauty brands for eco-friendly Glam. Introduction. Ready to enhance your beauty routine while caring for the planet. Dive into the world of biodegradable beauty, where glamour meets eco-consciousness. Explore fabulous products that elevate your natural beauty and promote a healthier earth. Why it's important as climate change and plastic pollution become urgent issues. Consumers increasingly seek eco-friendly alternatives in beauty. Over 70% are willing to spend more on sustainable products, prompting brands to offer biodegradable makeup and sustainable packaging solutions. Main insights. 1. Biodegradable ingredients. Brands are using natural, plant-based ingredients that easily break down. For example, EcoTools offers makeup brushes made from recycled materials, while Eminence Organic Skincare uses organic ingredients like honey and aloe vera. 2. Sustainable packaging. Brands like Lush and Bare Minerals are leading the way with refill options and fully biodegradable or recyclable materials, significantly reducing waste. 3. Cruelty-free testing. Many biodegradable brands, such as 100 Pure, ensure their products are clean and never tested on animals, promoting ethical beauty choices. Practical steps. 1. Research brands. Look for brands that prioritize sustainability and check for certifications like cruelty-free or organic. 2. Evaluate ingredients. Read labels carefully and choose products made with biodegradable materials, such as natural oils and plant extracts. Point 3. Minimize waste. Opt for refillable packaging or recyclable materials, and consider DIY beauty treatments using ingredients like coconut oil or honey. Common mistakes or cautions. Ignoring ingredients. Not all eco-friendly claims are genuine. Check for harmful additives that may not decompose easily. Overlooking packaging. Ensure the packaging is eco-conscious, as some brands may use non-biodegradable materials. Skipping research. Verify a brand's sustainability claims to avoid greenwashing where products are marketed as eco-friendly without real evidence. Conclusion. Embrace a beauty routine that enhances your look and supports a greener planet. By choosing biodegradable beauty brands, you join a movement prioritizing sustainability and self-care. Ready to glam up sustainably? Start your biodegradable beauty journey today. Going green, the ultimate guide to sustainable beauty products that actually work. Introduction. Transform your beauty routine into an eco-friendly masterpiece. The beauty industry is evolving, offering sustainable products that enhance your natural glow while protecting our planet. Let's explore how to look fabulous and be kind to the earth. Why it's important. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, consumers are seeking beauty products that minimize ecological impact. The industry generates over 120 billion units of packaging annually. Thankfully, biodegradable makeup and sustainable packaging options are now available, allowing you to prioritize sustainability without compromising quality. Main insights. 1. Biodegradable ingredients. Look for makeup with biodegradable ingredients like fruit extracts, plant oils, and minerals that naturally break down, reducing landfill waste. Point 2. Eco-friendly packaging. Many brands, such as Lush and RMS Beauty, use recycled materials and innovative biodegradable packaging, ensuring your beauty routine has a minimal footprint. Point 3. Cruelty-free and vegan options. Sustainable beauty also means ethical choices. Many brands offer cruelty-free and vegan products, ensuring no animals are harmed. Look for certifications to confirm these practices. Practical steps. 1. Research brands. Investigate brands that prioritize sustainability and are transparent about their sourcing and manufacturing processes. Point 2. Opt for refills. Choose products with refill options to reduce packaging waste and save money. Point 3. DIY beauty hacks. Consider making beauty products at home with natural ingredients. For example, a simple sugar scrub with sugar and coconut oil minimizes waste and allows for customization.